if I look here or there or up or down anywhere, it's because I have a staring problem. But yeah. But anyways, today I'm going to be showing you my very small but loved vintage collection. I will put the names right here and I will link them down below if I can, just so you know where I got them. And yeah, so I'm going to start off with this first one. This is what it looks like on the top. I'm not going to be trying on these two dresses because I've gained a bit of weight, so they don't really look the greatest on me. I probably need like a corset or something to really wear them right now. And I definitely need something like an underlayer for them. And I don't have that yet, but this is my first dress. And I'll put her name right here because I don't know it off the top of my head. But if you're plus size, she does have a lot of bigger vintage clothing items. So she's definitely a good person to go to. And she was very nice and made sure you got what you liked and knew how to take care of them. But it's like this pinky color, and it's kind of like it's straight. It's not like it goes in your like hips and then flows out, but it's straight. It's more of a straight dress, and I think it's a 60s dress from what I remember, and I do love it. I'm just waiting to lose that weight and or get a corset. And this next dress, I'll show you a photo right here, and again it's from the same lady, and I think this was 1960s too. In the photo I wore it with what is it called, a petticoat. It's an A-line dress, so you don't really wear a petticoat with A-line dresses, but I just really wanted that fluffy look when I wore it last. But this is what it looks like. This is what the top looks like, and then yeah, it's A-line. So, whoop, that's the color of it. My next dress is this yellow one. It has this cool top. I don't know if you could see it, but I'll show you a video right here what it looks like. And I got this from the Scoop Shop here in Buffalo. And yeah, I got this for, it was $40, but I got it on sale for $20. So I just couldn't pass off on it. And it's like it's my favorite dress that I have. So yeah. Next I'm going to show you my earrings. I only have one actual vintage that I know are vintage earrings. These are cameos. I think I got these for $20, and they were they're 1970s Avon earrings. So, but I love them. They're clip-on ones, and I do have my ears pierced, but honestly I really like clip-on earrings. Next earrings that I have, they're from what's it called, Savers. So I don't know how old they are, but they look a bit 90s 80s to me. I could be wrong, but that's what they look like to me. And they're clip-on ones. But so there's these white ones. I haven't worn these yet, but I got these. These are my favorite. I don't know what I did with the other one. It's somewhere in my room, but yeah, they look like this, and they're my absolute favorite. I've worn them a lot, and I've taken a lot of photos with them. But I do, these are my favorite. And also from Savers, I couldn't pass this up. It was so cute. I've always wanted a Yorkie. Now, this isn't a Yorkie, at least I don't think, but it's similar to one, and I just love these. I love dogs that look like this. Let's put it that way. So this is what it looks like, and it says 1985. It's I think it's a Norman Rockwell, one of the plates. And I'll take a picture of it so you can read the back of it, but I just couldn't pass it up. It was so cute, and I just keep it on display. But yeah, I really liked it because of the girl and then the little doggy, because it's what I've always wanted. So this next one was a big deal. Back in high school, I was watching the trailer for Jersey Boys, and they played a song, and I was like, oh my goodness, that's in Greece. I need to see this movie. And I just fell in love with Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons. And I've been listening to them on and off throughout the years. And I'd say that was 2014, I think, when the Jersey Boy movie came out. And recently, like over the summer, I was looking through the, what's it called? I was looking through the records, just seeing what they had. And you never know, you might find an Elvis record. But no, that's not what I found. That would have been, I love Elvis, so like if I found an Elvis record for $2, that would have been crazy. But that probably would never happen. But instead, I found this of Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons record for $2. Like, I doubt it works. I don't know why I'm so scared to touch it. I think because like with CDs, you're not supposed to touch a certain part of it. But yeah, the record is here. I don't know if it works. I don't have a record player, but it'd be cool to try it one day. And if not, it doesn't work, well, it could be for display. And that's what I do with it right now. So the last thing that I have is this purse. It has beading on it. And I know you can find a lot of them on Etsy. And I want to say this is the 1960s, but I'm not really sure. But yeah, it has a lot of beading on it. I got mine from RC More Vintage. It was so cute. And it, when I got it, it came with this mirror, which I wish they still did do this, but it came with a mirror. And the brand, I'm assuming, is Petite Bead. So if you want to find a purse kind of like this, I would go on Etsy and I would look up that brand. And then it came with this, which I'm assuming it's to put over if it rains, like to put over your purse if it rains. But yeah, I'm probably not gonna open it because I'm scared to with how old this is. But I love this purse and it's very pretty, and it was only $40, which I thought it was a good deal. I don't really know how expensive these purses tend to be, but for the fact that it was in good condition, like the only thing I really see is like right here, and for it to be $40, that's crazy. That is crazy. So that's my vintage collection. It's very small, but it's very loved. And shopping vintage can be expensive at times, not always, but it can be. And I'm just at the point right now where I just want to get back to my regular weight than to buy clothes. But I was thinking I could buy accessories and still be good. So I might do that, maybe a video on it. I'm not too sure. But yeah, so that's my vintage collection. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe.